Right. Good evening, all of you. Right. Alan, how are you?
Fine.
Okay. Yes. So today is the introduction class for our Python full stack batch. The main class starts from Monday onwards. All of you clear, right? Okay. Right. So now we'll see the first and the most important question is who should learn Python? Can I learn Python or not? Because so many people who call me, who meet me, the first question is, sir, am I eligible to learn Python or not? I am from so and so background, or I have 3 years gap, 4 years gap. Am I possible to learn Python or not? It's a common question nowadays. And some people say that sir, Python has no demand. Someone saying that is it right or wrong? Or Python only for experienced people? Or Python only for freshers only? So all questions are there. So today we'll see answers for all the questions. With complete mind, next class onwards to start the subject. Because in the mind, if any doubt is there, you can't learn properly. You can't concentrate, first of all. Am I right or wrong? If you have the clear mind, then you can learn very happily. Okay, right. The first question is, okay, can I learn Python or not? Python or not? Or who should learn Python? Who should learn Python? Is the common question, guys. For this question, my single answer is anyone can learn Python. Anyone can learn Python, guys. Anyone means either you are from IT background or non-IT background. Anyone. You may be from the CSE background or ECE or mechanical or EEE or civil or MBA. Any background, learning Python is very, very easy. Why? Because compared to other languages, compared to other subjects, Python supports a simple syntax, a simple grammar, we can say. Okay, that's why learning very easy. And one more point is learning Python is like reading a simple English newspaper. A simple English newspaper, that's all. Nowadays, a small kid also can read the English newspaper. Am I right or wrong? Nowadays they can read. Maybe our elders not possible when they are small, but nowadays anybody can read the English newspaper. Nothing but anybody can learn Python language. You don't believe in some previous batches, in Python full stack batch, there are some people who are studying 4th class, 7th class, 10th class, +2, BTech first year like that. So in one batch, they are from US actually. That 4th class, 7th class, 2 people are there. Pratik, Ritvik, 2 people I remember very well. Small kids. One day, their mother called me and told me, sir, I have seen your videos on the YouTube. My kids are there. I thought kids means maybe intermediate, BTech, 3rd or 4th year. So they joined the class is going on. One day they asked me a doubt, very small voice, small kid voice. I asked them, what are you studying? They said 4th class, sir. Hey, your 4th class, are you understanding? Yes, I'm understanding very well, sir. Do you know any other languages? No, sir. First time learning Python language, sir. It's very simple language, sir. He said that very simple. In that class, around 100 members are there. And some experienced people, they're saying, sir, some difficulties there like that. Who done the BTech already? He said that very simple language, sir, Python. Almost Python going to over. Very simple language, sir. All are loved very well. I'm studying 4th class, how you understand the Python? He said that they listen the class clearly. Don't keep any point in the mind. Enough, he said that. Okay, so what I'm saying here, anybody can learn Python, irrespective of the background, irrespective of the gap also. Okay, so what I'm saying here, see now, I show a simple example, guys. Okay, learning Python like reading, which one guys here? Simple English, right? English newspaper. I'll tell you an example also. Okay, so just I take some of your names, guys. I just take here some of your names. Some names I'll take here. Just a small example. Let's take. We understand whether Python simple or not. Okay, I take some names. For example, Sai. I take one name. I take the suppose Nani. I take some names. I'm taking here Satya, right? I'll take my name also. I take the my name, right? My name also like this. Some names are there, right? Now what I want here, if observe all of you, simple point. I'm trying to show you, can we learn Python if you know English or not? That's all. That's what I'm trying to show you. Not about the capability of programming. Okay, a simple point. If psi is available, right? Available in the names, then display, sorry guys, then display true. Is it English or not? Let me know. Is it English or not? English language. Is it difficult or simple language? Very simple words are there. Okay. Next one. Same. If psi is not available, they want here not available in the names. Okay. In the names, then display false. These two statements are in simple English. All right. From the simple English, I'm going to okay, convert into our Python program from the simple English statements. Okay. Now the same statements I'll take with the less number of words, that becomes Python program. The English has more number of words. That one I precise to small number of words, that becomes Python program. See, observe here. I'm saying that if psi is available in names, then I want to display true. Python program. It's Python program. Next, if psi is not available in names, then what I want here, I want display false. Now this is which one? Python program. Now you observe here all of you. Okay, yes. Same point, right? Same meaning is there. Compare the first one and here first one. Same meaning is there, but here more number of words are there. Here less number of words are there. That's all, right? If psi is available in names, then display true. That's what I'm reading here. Same as it is. All of you, right? The same one. I am going to show you as a programming also. Just observe now. Just observe, guys. Just observe now. Let me open this one. Just I'm opening Python software. A simple example, so that you understand whether Python simple or not. A length program, a small program. You understand in a simple way, guys. Right. I just take the same as it is, just a copy from here, guys. I copy that one. Okay, it's loading, guys. It's taking some time to open. I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you guys. It opens. I'll show you then. Okay. So here, so what's the point now? From English language, you can learn the Python language. Now, don't think that I don't English very well, sir. I know small English only. Which one? Very simple English only. It's enough, guys. What I told you, if you know reading English, then learning Python is very simple. Okay. So yes, guys, it open now. It open, guys, here. Just observe now. I just take the same names, all of you. Names. Sai, Nani, Satya, right? Narayana. Now it's program here. If psi available in names, I click enter, then program over. We don't write if conditions now. If conditions are there in Python, but at this time not required. Very simple. Okay, suppose the same one I take here Nani in the names. Tell me now true or false? True or false, all of you? True or false? It is not true. Why? Because Nani available in the names are true. I'm saying that here, suppose Rohan in the names are true or false? True or false? False. Why false? Because Rohan is not available. It's a false. It's a false. Next one, I take here, I take now, right? Narayana. Okay, sorry. In the names. Then true or false? True or false? Narayana is there. It's the true, right? And one more here, I'm saying that same Narayana, not in the names. True or false? Narayana, not in names. True or false? False. Why? It's available. I'm saying that not available. It's false. Okay, it's false, guys. The last example, tell me now. Satya in names. True or false? True or false? Alaf, true or false? False. Right? Why false here? Why false here? You are saying you are thinking that Satya, same Satya is there. Then why false? Right? No, observe here. It's a false. Why? Why means here Satya capital S is there. Satya small s is there. See now. That's the difference. All right. That's why Python is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive means capital A, use capital A only. Small b, use small b only. Whatever is there, use same as it is. Okay. Suppose in Python, capital A is different, small a is different. Both are not same. That's why it's called the Python is a case sensitive language. Sensitive language. Okay. That's what you have observed, right? So observe here, guys, by seeing this, do you think that Python difficult language? Do you think that Python difficult language? All of you, yes or no? No. Do you think that the Python supports lengthy program? Any lengthy is there? Not there. Only small program and less than just 3-4 words only. And I don't say that all programs same as it is. So very big programs are there, but syntax same like that only. Simple syntaxes. That's why we say that here Python is a of all of you. Python is simple, easy, and powerful language, guys. Python is a simple, easy, and powerful language. This is the first Python feature. What's feature here? Python, simple, easy, and powerful language. In interview, generally what happens here? They ask you what are the Python features. I said that sir, Python is a simple, easy, powerful language. Immediately they ask a class question. What's class question? Why Python simple? Why Python easy? Why Python powerful? Tell me some reasons, right? So here I said that also here. Python is simple. Why simple means? Why simple means? Observe all of you. Python supports a simple syntax, guys. Simple syntax. What is syntax? A grammar. In English, you have the grammar. Subject plus verb plus object. That's a grammar. It's a syntax. That's all. Suppose here only. What's the order? What's the order here? First of all, I have taken the one name. In names, order is there. If I take the some different order, suppose in first, in names, then Satya, right? Satya. Click enter. Error came. Why? Wrong syntax. This wrong grammar rule. In English, you call it grammar rule. In the subject, you call the syntax rule. That's all. Okay. So Python supports a simple syntax. That's why Python is called a simple language. The second one, what second one here? Python is easy. Why Python easy? Why Python easy? Because Python supports one easy or less coding. Easy or less coding. Very less coding, guys. Take any length of program. The best example, suppose one program is there. One program in Java, it is taking, for example, 1,000 lines, for example. The same program in Python, the same program, we can make it in just a maximum 50 to 100 lines. That's all, guys. Not more than that one. In Java, suppose 100 lines program, 1,000 lines program, for example. In Python, just a maximum 50 to 100 supports. See how much decrease the code here. That's why nowadays all people who are working in either .NET, either Python, they all migrating to Python language from .NET, from Java, from PHP. But different things are there, all coming to our Python language. Because here the same program, the Java 1,000 lines, in Python 100 lines. 1,000 means Java takes 1 day for single program. Python takes just 10 minutes, 1 hour, half an hour. My time, free time, happy life. That's why all people just simply going for Python language. Okay. And one more point here. What's the point here? Now we have a doubt. What is doubt? Sir, how it's possible supporting less lanes, sir? Any reason is there, right? Yes, guys. So Python supports of all of you. Python is powerful, right? Powerful. Why powerful? Why powerful means observe here. Python supports. Okay, Python supports a lot of modules, guys. This is the main point. Lot of modules. What's a module? One Python file, which comes by default. A Python file comes default. It has the default coding. That coding we use. Suppose I want to develop an website by using Python, right? In every website, admin part is there. It's common for every website. Admin part we don't write because the admin module will come. Admins of 1,000 lines are there. All comes as it is. Just what do we do? We change the names. We change the names. We change the values. All admin part came. That's all. Security is there. For every website, security required. Security comes by default here. Why? Because of a lot of modules coming. For every website, login form, registration form, logout, all common. They all come by default. They all come by default. That's why it supports a very less length of code. Which one? Python. But other languages, we have tried lot of coding. So here, what's first one? Python is which one? Simple, easy, and powerful. Why simple? Tell me now. Why simple? Python supports which one? Simple syntax. Second one, Python easy. Why easy? Python supports less or easy coding. And powerful. Why powerful? Python supports a lot of modules. That's why Python is a simple, easy, and powerful language. And one more point, Python is a beginner's language. Beginner's language. What's the meaning of beginner's language? Tell me now. Tell me now. What's the meaning of beginner's language? All of you. Python is a beginner's language. Beginners, right? Not beginners, guys. Beginners, right? Beginner's language, guys. Beginner's language. What is the meaning of beginner's language? The meaning is, if anyone wants to begin their career in IT field. Suppose my BTech over 2015, for example. For last 4 years, for last 3 years, I'm in the marketing field. Now I want to begin my IT field. I want to begin my career in the IT field. For them, Python is the best choice. Or suppose my degree just now over, BTech over, but in mechanical field or civil background, but I want to begin my IT career. For them, the best which one? Python language. Because here they don't know more programming who are from the different backgrounds. Then they can learn Python very easily. Who don't know programming very well, they can learn Python very easily. That's why it's a beginner's language. So many comes and ask me, some BTech over 4 years ago, sir. For last years, I was working in the some big bazaar as a marketing field, data entry job, sir. But now my parents scolding me because marriage time came, sir. I want to go to IT field. I can hard work do anything 24 hours also, sir. I can do hard work 24 hours, sir. I want job immediately, sir. Within 2 months, 3 months, I want to get the job, sir. It is solution, sir. The best one, Python language. So many people, you can see there, notice board is there, right? The notice board, all people got the job last 2 months only, guys. All people. So here, so many are there who are from the non-IT also. Just to show some people, guys, here. The job of the here. These all got the jobs last 1 month, guys. In the 1 month only, they got the jobs. Just to show some names here. Because one of the main advantage for us is, so I have the contact numbers of my all students. Right now in my mobile phone, there are 6,800 contacts are there, 800 contacts. Out of all, maybe 5 members, my parents, remaining all are students only. So since my 7-8 years onwards, before I teach the MSBA, Power BI, SQL DBA, SQL R, the Python I'm teaching for last 4 years onwards. 2017 March onwards I'm teaching, right? So what is happening? A lot of people settle in different companies, like as a managers, team leads, like that, right? So what they do, they keep on messaging me whenever they have the requirement. We want 10 people, sir. We want 5 people, sir, like that. Yesterday morning also, we got a call. So I was in the class yesterday morning, but our reception received the call and asked, They said that 2 days ago, one of our students came to my interview. She has given the good answers, all excellent answers. We impressed our answers. Then we are taking your number. We are calling you. We want to talk to sir. He said that sir in the class, call me in the evening. As the evening, she called again now. And I asked her, tell me please. She said the same story. Said that we want 10 people immediately, sir. 10 people immediately I want. We filter the people. We don't do any interview. We filter the people. Send me the people who are like 10 people. Just we do formally one interview. That's one round only. They want only freshers. They said that 2021, 20 also no problem. 10 members will do only one round. You do the filtration, sir. So what is happening? My morning batch is going on. That is 8 to 10. There's still 4 is going on. So they can't go to interview. Then evening batches are there. My online batches are there. From them, I'm filtering the people to send the interview. Before 2 days ago, a requirement came. They want a lot of people. Around they want 60 people. It's not a company, some consultancy. They take us, they send to companies. For that one, they will not take money from us. They take money from the companies. They give the training to us, different trainings. Then they send to company. We don't spend single rupee also. That's plus point only. Like that, what is happening? You keep on get the calls and mails. For last 2-3 months, you're getting more compared to previous days. Okay. So like that only, some got the job. He got the job recently. He's the evening batch student. Actually, batch is not over. Full stack almost came to end, but not over. As not ended, right? And she is from Odisha. She is from the morning Django batch. Batch is going on from Odisha, Aishwarya, right? And his batch over recently. He's also Odisha. Okay. And I don't know his state name, but his batch over already. He's not a new old student. Around 4 months ago, his batch over. Yeah, she's the recent batch only. She's from Telugu, right? Okay, and he is the person who came to my demo in the online. His name is Rishikesh from Odisha only. You know what happened? On the same day, just to demo over, he called me directly after demo. For half an hour, talked to me, half an hour. Sir, I'm from mechanical background, sir. I don't anything. If you say that 100% job guarantee, I'll join you, sir. Otherwise, I don't join. He said that. I said only one point. Nobody gives 100% guarantee. I don't know. Up to tomorrow, can we leave or not? They are sure. No, we can't say 100% guarantee anything. But I said that I tried maximum possibility. I tried maximum possibility. He said, okay. He joined. Still, batch is not all got the job. He's from mechanical background, kept the 3 years experience, 2 years experience. How it possible, sir, means some people what they do from beginning day onwards they practice. From beginning day onwards they keep on practice. Initial days we discuss very small content only, not more. Initial days, sir, to habituate the class and all programming. So what happened? This person first day onwards, if I say just a few content also, the same thing practice like that. Every day practice more time. So recently got the job. He called me, said that first day onwards, full day spending only Python only, full day. Because in the hometown, no work is there, only course only. Want even only Python, Django, Python, sir. I got the job, sir. Okay, like that, guys. And she's old batch, but she got job recently. We take final year now. Okay, she also final year now. She got job recently, and she got job 3 months ago. Batch over 3 months ago, but got job recently. Right? His experience, 3+ experience. He's the old person before lockdown person. In the lockdown, he skipped the entire Python. He done some field jobs in the hometown. After what happened? They went to hometown. They done the field job. Again, from last 2 months, again he's practicing Python. He got the job now. Okay, and he got the job recently. And one madam is there. They want to show her. Yes. How much package here? 17 lakhs package, guys. Not a fresher. She's an experienced person. How much experience? 5 years experience. How much? 5 years experience. How much salary got? 7 lakhs she got job. See, some people think that, sir, if I keep 3 years experience, can I manage or not? 5 years experience, can I manage or not? We can manage very easily, guys. The thing is the fear in the mind. The fear in the mind. So what I say that attend the classes with a free mind. So some people think that in the class all CS people only. I'm only mechanical. I'm only civil. I only don't know programming. All know programming very well. Always that point in the mind. So we don't think about subject. We think about other people only. That's why we're not focusing on subject. So what do you think that I don't anything, they don't anything. That's all. All are like me only. Then very happy. In that mind, we have to start the learning subject, guys, not about other people. Okay. And one more point, I say that all my classes are interactive classes. Interactive means I keep on talk to you, should keep on give reply to me. Then only you can focus for 1 hour, 2 hours. Only one day, one side batting. I keep on teaching, or listening. After half an hour, mind goes to hometown, mind goes to hostel. Right or wrong? It goes to everywhere. Within 1 second, it go to Odisha also, from Hyderabad to Odisha. That's power of the mind. That's what do I do? I keep on talk to you. Tell me. So I say, tell me, I might be here only. Why? If you say wrong answer, others will laugh. That's why our mind will be in the classroom only. That's why if I take the class half an hour or 1 hour or 2 hours also, I keep on talk to people. They keep on focus us. Then only get the good result. Okay, right. So fine, right, guys? This all got the job. Recently, last 1 week, 2 days, like that only. These all people, guys, right? Right. So coming to point here. So what's point now? Beginner's language, right? Beginner's language. I'll tell you one more point about Python. That is, some people say that, sir, with Python, what are the different possibilities, sir? With Python, what are the different possibilities, right? See, guys, here Python is general purpose language, guys. General purpose language. Purpose language. So what is the meaning of it? What is the meaning of it? So we can use Python for any purpose. For any purpose means what is the meaning? I'll tell you guys here. Observe now. All of you observe here. Suppose imagine this is the Python language, right? This is the Python language. The same Python language. The same Python language I can use with the data science. Right or wrong, all of you? Even apply. Keep in the mind here only, not in the hometown. Don't go there. Tell me now. Data science possible. AWS, yes, possible. Then DevOps, yes, possible. And suppose game development, games are possible. AI, what is AI? Yes, very good. Next, GUI applications, GUI, possible. Web development, yes, possible, right? Animations, yes, possible. Testing, yes, possible. All are possible. That's why if you know Python, you can do any job. You can do any job in IT field, guys. If you know Python very strongly, you can work with the data science. Okay, you can work with data science, for example, work with AWS, work with AI or DevOps, web development, right? Multimedia or animations, okay, or GUI applications or testing. Everything is possible. Nowadays, for every job, the base one is Python. That's all. The base one is Python. That's why. So see, from last 3 years onwards, guys, you don't believe how the Python demand increased. Exactly in 2017, my first Python started in March, guys, March month. First Python batch. You know how many came to batch? 2 people came to batch. How many? 2 people, right? Yes, you see how the changes done. In 2017, guys, okay? In 2017, just I'm showing you how the demand increased. Right? Let's take the March month, okay? March month. How many came? 2 per class. Per batch, 2 members. If you take 5 batches, 5 into 2, 10 or 15, like that. Okay, in 2017. In 2018, exactly by March month, take the March month, you don't believe it became 30 plus students per batch. Per day, 5 batches, 530 is how much here? 150 like that per throughout the day, right? Now, by the time 2019, guys, 2019, take the same March month, around it became 100 plus students, guys, per batch. 100 plus students per batch, right? See how the demand increasing, how the awareness increasing in the people about Python language, right? And exactly before lockdown, 2020, exactly March, my last batch of March, okay? By that time, guys, the batch got 157 students. I remember very well that batch. So batch started actually my birthday March 10th. On the day batch kept because of batch offer, which were birthday offer, right? No price decrease. Offer means if you join Python, tomorrow step is free like that. So batch started the March 10th and 16th onwards holidays. Why holidays? Corona holidays. Right or wrong? So 10th joined all people and 16th onwards holidays. And it happened in the online, right? And exactly by last March, guys, by last March, let's take this one now. Okay, 21 guys, I'm taking here this October, guys, this October, right? You don't believe, my last batch, online batch, around 1250 students joined, guys, an online batch. Just is going on still. How many students here? 1250 students. It's an offer batch, not full money. Already money free with a lot of less only. I kept here just 1,000 rupees. How many joined? Around 1250 joined students. See how much demand increasing, right? Okay. See the evaluation of the Python language, guys. By next year, we can expect 2,000 also in online, right? Because no limit is there. Offline means the class limit is there. In online, 1,000 members, 2,000, 3,000, no limit is there. Okay, right. So why this number of people learning means all are not for same purpose. Some people want to go to the data science. These all Python people, they can go to data science, go to the DevOps, go to the testing. Different people are. It's only Python batch, not full stack batch. Only Python batch. All of you, right? Okay, right. So some people having doubt. So what is difference between Python full stack, sir? Right or wrong? It's common doubt. Some people say go learn Python. Some people say go learn Python full stack. What you cover in Python? What you cover in Python full stack? Which is required nowadays? Just guys, I'll tell you now. So in Python means all of observe here. In Python, what you cover means just core Python, guys. Core Python we cover. Core Python and advanced Python. Okay, advanced Python cover. This is called the Python batch. Core advanced which cover the these two. It's called the Python batch, guys. Python batch, right? Now, if you learn only Python without any other, no demand, no use also. The people who say this point, Python is no useful. When if you learn only Python, learning only Python, and not learning any other support, then no calls, no demand, nobody will talk to us also. When you go with only Python, that's why Python is combination required compulsorily. One combination required. Either learn the testing, or learn the DevOps, or learn the AWS, or learn the AI, learn the suppose data science, as a multimedia, or some games development here, or development. Which one? Development, like that. Some okay, some combination required. Okay, in our case, what's the combinations are? Python development is our combination, guys. What's the combination? Python development. So which one we use here? We use a Django. What's the name? Django. Python with Django is for the development. And Django is not separate one. It's part of the Python only. Compared to these are separate things. Data science separate one. There we use Python. AI separate one. There we use Python. But in Python only Django is there. In Python only Django. That's called the Python full stack. So in Python full stack, what you cover means observe all of you. In Python full stack, what you cover means same core advanced common. So core Python. In core, what we discuss are all basics, guys. We discuss all basics. Without basics, we can't write the program. Without ABCDs, without minimum grammar, we can't speak the English also. Hello, how are you? How are you? Hello. See, difference is there. Right or wrong? Hello, how are you? Looks better. How are you? Hello, bye. Not look better, right? Okay. Some grammar rules required. That we learn here in core Python. Okay. Next, advanced Python. So what we discuss means by using above all basics, we make the programming, guys. Write the programming, or you can say coding. We start here by using all basics. Now we write the programming here, or you can say coding also. Right? There's a core advanced. Plus nowadays Python next level is a Python modules are there. Python modules. I told you here, right? Python brings lot of modules. Lot of modules are there here, right? Lot of modules are there. That's why Python powerful. So what modules we cover means here we cover some modules, guys. Very powerful modules like pandas module. What's the name? Pandas module. Next, matplotlib module and the numpy module. These are the next level of Python, not part of Python. We're letting the advanced part also. Okay. And we do the one Python project also, guys. We do the one Python project also. By using only Python, we do the project also. Right? Next, Django framework. Django framework we discuss. And UI. In the UI, what we discuss means HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery. So do you discuss in depth of UI, sir? Not required for us. If you go in depth, you can't come back here. UI is a very depth subject. So as a full stack developer, how much we learn? That's what we cover very clearly. Okay. Next one, MySQL is there. MySQL is there. Right? So in MySQL also, what we cover, sir? Just before the class, two people came to inquire. I said all what you discussed. So they're not thinking about Python, Django. They're focusing on MySQL. They're saying, sir, I want to do in depth of MySQL, sir. I said that is the main for Python. We discuss MySQL, how much we required. They say, I don't want Python, sir. I want MySQL, sir. It's not MySQL batch, it's only Python batch only. For Python people, we discuss the MySQL. But their own argument, if you say full MySQL for 1.5 months, I'll join the class, sir. Don't join, go outside. Because for himself, we can't discuss MySQL 1.5 months, right? If you're like that, I don't any problem. It takes 5 months course. As of 3 months, becomes 4.5 5 months. It's not required. So how much we required for entry level, for job level? That's what we learn here. Okay. Then the last one is by using Python, Django, UI, MySQL, we'll see one main project, guys. We see one main project. This is what we cover in our entire Python full stack. This is what available in the content tab also. So this all we cover where in Python full stack, guys. In only Python, what is there here? Core, advanced part. Okay, right. Now, so what about these timings and all those things are? Some people think that sir, to change the timings like morning to evening to morning, sir. That's not possible, guys. If you say timings means that's confirmed timings, sir. Because one person came 2 days ago, he joined some institute for Python 2 months ago. After 10 days, they shifted morning to evening batch. They clubbed both morning to evening to morning, guys. That time is impossible because some people are busy with other classes, busy with work. You can't see, we can change that time 10 minutes before, after, like that. Not the morning class to evening, evening class to morning. So that's not possible, guys. 6 to 7:30. Starting 6 o'clock, maybe 7, 7:30, 8 o'clock. Maximum at 7:30, guys. 8 means maybe rain will come, right? So we'll take 6 o'clock, 6 to 7:30 maximum time. That will plan compulsory, guys. Okay, right. So today, as part of whole introduction class only, I did not start the topic today. Only introduction class only, right? The first class start the next class. Okay. So the timings is 6 p.m. to, guys. Take the maximum 7:30. Okay, 7:30 p.m. guys. Okay, 7:30 p.m. And yes. So what you provide here? What you provide here? Yes, all of the here. This maximum 3 months course, guys. Maximum, right? Maximum. So 3 months course. Now just observe here. Okay. So we'll take the notes very clearly. First of all, the notes is very, very, very important. Maybe while writing, you make a dictation, always notes. But while searching for the job, while going for interviews, it makes you very comfortable. Which one? The notes. Clear, right? So notes are very, very important. And our notes is very good notes. Ask your friends about our notes. Our notes excellent notes. I'm not saying boosting myself because what I'm saying here, we cover every point in the notes. Some points are there. Out of 10 points, we teach 5 points. The remaining, we don't teach 5 points. Are not required. I don't think like that. Every point I give in the notes. Some may be useful, some may be not useful. But we don't know right now what useful, what not useful. Right? That's why I give all the points. Suppose for online people, we give the videos also. Some people, what happens? See, actually today most people should come. But before class, they call me. So today it may be like raining. We should come from long ago. So it may be raining, sir. Today we join the online class, sir. Monday come to the offline class, sir. Like that, see how many are there? Class, guys. Around 10 people called me. I said that, sir, today please allow me for online class. Monday come to office. It's your choice. Comfort is important. I don't ask companies to come to class only or only online only. No, it's all of comfort, guys. So finally, what is important means learning is important, getting job is important, not the timings. So whatever timing comfortable, attend the batch, that's all. And one more point. Somebody asked, sir, I come to the evening batch, sir, I don't have a problem. But maybe after 1 week of 10 days, if I stop the batch, what next process, sir? Okay, I said only one point. If you join this batch by bad luck of 10 days, after 1 month, you stop with the class. Maybe going to home urgently, some other work is there, or you got some part-time job, you stop with that batch. So I'm saying that if you stop that batch, attend the other batch also, no problem. Attend any other batch. I'm allowing you for 1 year, guys. You don't believe some people who joined my first Python batch in our NTH in last year, August month. Still, they joined again previous batch also. 1 year over. But why it happened? Because of WhatsApp chatting, right? Daily, I keep the message, they keep hi sir, how are you, sir? That friendship is there. I can't say don't come to class. How can you say? They ask me, sir, I want to come to one more time, sir. Okay, come and sit, no problem. That's what happening, guys. So no rules here. The thing is, learn very well, get the job with good salary. That's important. Why good salary? Nowadays, all people give respect based on salary only. Right or wrong? They don't know whether you're from the Google company or small company. The home that they don't know our company or working times. What they know? How much your salary? How much your work anywhere? So our status depends on salary only. That's why always try to get the job with more package. Getting job is not a goal. We studied that because of to get the job only. It's not a goal. What's the goal? Get job with more package is the goal. So what do I think means? Suppose tomorrow we're the hometown with the friends. In that friends, our salary must be high salary. That's what achievement. Colleagues are there. In the colleagues, out of all the people, my salary must be high salary. That's called achievement. That's what we require. I mean, 10,000, he's getting 20, he's 30, he's 40, no achievement. In that way, we have to learn the subject. I'm ready on all of you. That's important always. So some people, if I get the job, that's enough for me. Salary is not important for me. No, salary is very, very important, guys. Because of hurriedness of the job, we think that I want the first job, not salary, let increase salary. Once you join the company with small salary, it can't increase more and more. It increases small amount only, it increase increment, right? If you join the company with high salary, then increment also will be high. Right on all of you, right? That's what always we require. Okay. And yes, here, what is there here? Notes will be given. Notes will be given, right? If you miss the class, okay, and records also will be given, guys. Records also will be given. Okay, will be given, guys. Don't worry about that. So coming to our offline class, right? No problem. For online people, they want recording videos, it's common thing. If you're recording also, I'll provide it, no problem. What I told you, learning is important. That's all. Getting job with a good salary. 2 points. What's first point? Learning is important. Second point is get job with a good salary. Okay, that's important. Next one more plus point is, do you have the content paper? Can you bring the content? Huh? So what we do here, every Saturday, we take the assignment. Do it Saturday. Don't worry about the marks, guys. No marks. Why assignment means for recollecting purpose. For recollecting purpose only, we take the assignment. See, Monday to Friday, what we do, we learn the subject. Monday to Friday. Saturday, what we do in this 1 week, what we learn, on that one, we take the assignment. Assignment means we give the some online link for all, both online and for all people, right? We give the one link. Click the link, a form will open, fill the form, all multiple choice questions only, A, B, C, D. Don't keep all A, right? In MCET days, we keep all A or all B. If you keep the same answer for all, out of 50, at least 5 will write, right? That's what we don't do here. Okay, so here we're learning for getting the job. It's for a life purpose, right? So fine, what happens? Open the link, then a form will be there, assignment will be there for 50 marks. Add the assignment. What does that mean here? Add the assignment, okay? Add the assignment. They will scold me. 1 second, guys. Assignment will be there. So writing, click submit button. If you submit, immediately shows you how many marks you got it. It will show you how many right, how many wrong. If wrong, why it is wrong? It shows everything. It show you. They don't learn why this is wrong, why this is right. You can learn there only. That's what very important, guys. If you keep on learning 3 months, of 3 months, if you see back, then we don't remember what happened first 1 week. Don't remember. But if you keep on recollecting for every week, then it's very important. If you recollect, you can remember very easily, guys. Right or wrong, all of you? That's what we do. An entire Python, an entire core Python, we do multiple choice question assignments. Advanced Python, we do the programming assignment, programming examples. Okay, right. So here, so assignments will be given, guys. Assignments will be given, and the task also will be given. Nowadays, the interviews almost giving the task nowadays. Before lockdown, task was not given morely. So they give only which one. If you go to an interview, they may come the assignment, written test, right? Written test. They may ask you to write the simple program there. But nowadays, what is happening? They're giving the task. They're giving 1 day time, 2 days time. Do the task by tomorrow morning. Send me in the which one? And the GitHub link. They give 1 day time. What we do? We don't do the task. Go to institute, sir. Task is given, sir. Please help me, sir. Or some work support coming, institutes are there. Work supporting. We go there, we get 10,000 rupees and do the task. Because this is my tomorrow, we are submit. That's what the people doing nowadays. Okay. So that's why we are taking the task also, guys. Conducting the assignment plus task also. Okay. Right. Then, as a fresher, what is important here along with course certificate is very important for freshers. For experienced people, it's not required, guys. If you want to give that also for experienced people, but for freshers, it's very important. Which one? This assignment certificate. We provide you certificate also. Okay. Right. So this is what, guys, we cover. Plus we shared the which one? Documents also, guys. Documents. Which documents are not fake documents. Our notes, I am saying that. Concept wise, I give the notes in the classroom, plus I share the document also in the drive or in the WhatsApp. My videos all WhatsApp only, guys. Nobody going for the computer to open the mail. Everything shortcut right nowadays. So only WhatsApp. Okay, right. So this is what, guys, we do. This is what we do in our entire course duration, right? And here, how many are there? This all I'll teach, guys. I will teach all. First 4 Python and last 4 Django, UI, MySQL main project. I'll teach all. Okay, right. So if any queries are there, you can ask me, guys. No problem. If any queries are there, you can ask me. Any queries? Right. And one more point here is, I follow 2 sentiments. What's first one? The first one is first to Saturday, guys. Saturday, no class. Since my 8 years onwards, the teaching field, suppose in this week, today demo class is there. And what's first Saturday? Tomorrow first Saturday. So tomorrow, no class. When you start the class, don't think you Saturday. No, all Saturday class is there. Tomorrow, first Saturday, only class is not there. Don't think sir saying that every Saturday exam is there, but every Saturday no class. It's only the first Saturday, no class. Only first Saturday. Okay. And next class on Monday to Saturday, every day class will be there. Today, one reduction class only. On Monday onwards, we can discuss subject very clearly. Okay, right. The second one is actually I don't take the which one? My all demos, guys. My all demos starts on okay. Starts on Friday only, guys. Friday or Tuesday. These 2 days. My demo classes. Okay. These 2 I'm following since 8 years onwards. Any reason is there? No reason. 8 years back, I kept the 2. I followed these 2. The batch formed very well. I'm following some same guys. Okay. Right. So tomorrow no class, guys. Next class on what? Next class on Monday, same time, same faculty, same classroom. Okay, right. So any doubts are there? See, ask me anything is there except subject, which is role subject about the duration, about the job, about the demand. We'll discuss now. Because once we start the class, the batch, our mind should be very free, only for subject purpose only. Okay, ask me. No doubts are there. Let's see how many people in doubts are there. Yes, Priyanka, right? Notes is very, very useful, right? Very good. All of you, any doubts are there, guys? No doubts, huh? All of you, any doubts are there? Please give reply, guys. So next class on coming Monday, and start the first class the day onwards. Some people what they do, some institutes, first 3-4 days they take demos only. Actually, they're not demos. Why? They're going very slow. The new people come, new students come, right? They go for 1 week or 10 days off, they go slow, but not like that. I don't like that. I go first day onwards only. If anybody comes in the middle, I give the videos to them. Because of one people, I can't wait all you people. Right or wrong? Suppose Monday is first class. I think that Friday one person will come after 5 days. For one person purpose, I don't go slow for you. It's wasting of time, right? So we came here for different cities. We're not from Hyderabad, right? We came to here from Odisha, from Maharashtra, or from different cities, right? So here what happening now? In my case, I don't want to waste the single day also of your guys, because everything is important. Maybe some people not important, some are very, very important. Some people wait when the class is over, when I get the job, Some people, 1 year time is there, 2 years time is there, like that. That's why here, in my class, guys, if I say that maximum 3 months, I try to finish in 3 months compulsorily. So sometimes if you think that maybe not possible, I take more time, maybe Saturday, Sunday. I try to cover, guys, maximum. Okay, right. Right. So do you conduct mock interviews any chance? Selection me. Very good. Yes. So all of you observe, I told you right here, assignments are there, right? Assignments are there. Some companies, what they ask me, suppose guys, I'll show you one mail also. Exactly 2 months ago, one company is there, that name is Chitti, guys. The name also is there, right? This company is there. So they called me and they said that you want 20 members, 20 trained Python people, not working people, trained people. They said that don't share my mail to all the people, because all will send their resumes. You can't filter them. You only filter. You won't do interviews. You won't do assignments, but send me the people who are having the good knowledge. At that time, these are very, very useful, guys. Which one? These assignments are very, very useful, right? So mock interview means this type of things you conduct, guys. Not like come one person sit here for half an interview. Not like that. But this type of assignments will conduct, guys, compulsorily, which are very useful assignments. Okay, selection me. Right. Any other doubts, guys? Yes. You? No doubts are there? Okay, right. So we start the class now, not going up to 8 o'clock, guys. So Monday onwards, we start the 6 to 7:30. So depends upon the examples. If a big example is there, we take 10 minutes extra. Small example, we close that time at right time only. Okay, right. So 1 second, all of you. Yes, now all of observe here. All of observe here. Resume preparation is there. All of you guys observe here. What's the name here? 1+, right? Okay, 1+. Hi, 1+. Please listen to me. Right? So what is happening here? So resume preparation is there. If you see generally, guys, genuinely, we'll talk genuinely. What is happening nowadays? We don't prepare resume. Call to friend, get the resume, change the name, mobile number, email ID, and keep in the Naukri. We don't read what points we kept, what points I'm keeping. We don't read also. Just only what we change: number, name, email ID, and keep the same format as it is. That's fine, but it brings a lot of struggles to us. Why? Resume represents our knowledge. I'm right on all of you. So if you keep the resume from friend also, read every point. Out of all the points, if you don't know any point, what we do? Remove that point or learn that point. That's what important. Plus, if any point is not there, what you don't, you know already at that point. That's what we have to do actually. But what we do, end of the batch, guys, end of the batch or middle of the batch, we'll take one class, how to prepare resume for freshers, for experienced people. We'll do that one. I have some resumes are there. Who got the job? Those who got the right resumes are there. Okay, so one day I show the resumes to you. Just some idea what to keep, what not to keep as a Python developer. Okay, so yes, next one, Mahesh. Next day onwards, please enter one name, because so they can remember. Because in online classes, I can remember the names only. In offline, I can remember the faces. Suppose evening online class, 100 members are there, and I know all the names. I don't know their faces. In the class, I know all the faces. I don't know their names. Right? Okay. Yes, guys. Right. And I want to tell you one point, guys, about offline students who came to Hyderabad for job purpose. To get the job within 3 months or 4 months, do only one thing. Which one? Don't spend more time in the hostel. No doubt. Then where to go, sir? Where to go? Right? The only thing is, why I'm saying that point means, in the hostel, some seniors are there. They are not our college seniors, hostel seniors. They came 1 year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago. What they're doing? Eating, sleeping, monthly amount paying. That's what they're doing, right? So what they do, they give all free suggestions. I'm going to suppose today I join Python class. Tomorrow, why Python? Join the data science. Last time if you got job 1 lakh rupee salary, they say like that. You're going for job, suppose the data science class. What they say, why data science? Very difficult data science. Join the Python, very simple. This what is happening. Whatever you say, it's the opposite point. Why? They have to prove that they are seniors. Right or wrong, right? They don't believe, they don't quote at us. Whatever you say, they say opposite correctly. Like that, not all people, so many are there. That's one point. Second one is, what they do generally, 24 hours YouTube. Why? Hostel is free. YouTube or mobile data is free, 3 GB per day. So they spend all YouTube. But you people who came to Hyderabad recently with some power, you got some desire, get job. By seeing them, get the job slowly, no problem. They came here 3 years ago. I came just only 1 year, no problem. We spend slowly. Our mind will change. By seeing other people, our mind will change. They will not say, watch the movies, watch the YouTuber. But by seeing the reactions, our mind will start following them. I'm right on all of you. Like that, in every hostel, people are there. So my request is, in the hostel, just use only hostel for eating purpose, sleeping purpose. Remain time, come to the institute, sit here, learn, practice here. If you get the board, take the bus, auto, metro, go to Madhapur, go to high-tech city. Roam entire road, all those roam, and come back to again institute. That's all. Why going there? Why going to there? Companies are there. By seeing the companies, you can inspire ourselves only. Very big companies, all going very inside. TIE is there. We feel motivation automatically. That's what always important. If you're in the hostel, there also motivation is there. Which motivation? Entertainment motivation. Life spoiling motivation. But there, life building motivation is there. Okay, that's why in every demo I say first point is point. Because I know, still I'm in the hostel only. I know my hostel people. Even though I'm married, but because of this newly started, right? So for 1 month, 2 months, I'm staying in the hostel only. In the hostel people, 24 hours, they're busy with what? YouTube or video calls, audio calls. And what are you doing? No, brother, I came to about 3 years ago. I learned all the courses in Hyderabad, but no job. Why? My fate, sir, my fate. It's not a fate. It's a lack of learning, lack of concentration. Right? So, and one more point, guys, here. See, getting job is a 70% luck factor, 30% subject factor. Am I right or wrong, all of you? Right or wrong? 70% luck factor. That's why what I say here, for every interview apply, that's all. Every interview apply, every interview go and attend the interview, that's all. We don't know where that luck is there. All of right? Mainly IT job luck factor. Imagine some of your classmates of your BTech or degree, some classmates who knows nothing, they're working very well now. Who knows everything, still they're roaming on the roads. Think about the classmates. The classmates, academic, they are very great, but no job, no job. The classmates, some people, all backlogs are there. Now they're working in the companies. Keep that, I think. So where is the pause. So where is the problem? Problem not there anywhere. The thing is a luck factor. That's what I say that here, even though you are learning now, suppose today demo class over. Tomorrow interview is there. What do you think? Not for me. Today one demo over. For me, after 3 months only. We think like that. No, tomorrow's good interview. Sit there. We don't know what they want. Do you know what they want? We don't know. See, there, one student is there. I'll show you guys. Okay, I'll show you. See, she has done BTech in 2006, guys. Which year? 6. Now she got the job recently as a fresher. Do you believe that one? Do you believe that one? Yes, you can see here. You can see here. See, she's a fresher. She's done the BTech in 2006. How many years ago? 15 years ago. She got married. She has the size of kid also. Now she is fresher. So how one day she called me before demo day. She is sister of my friend's friend. Some reference only, right? You all came reference only. So my friend called me and said that my sister is there. She want to learn Python. She want to go to IT job. About her asked her. Said that 15 years of BTech over. It's impossible nowadays. But in IT field, everything is possible. In IT field, only IT field only. Out of all the fields, in IT field, everything is possible. By seeing her, I can say that very strongly. So what happened? So she called me one day before demo day. She told me story. BTech over. She worked as a lecturer and got married. 2 kids. Everything is fine now. So what happened? She called me. She want to go to IT field. I said, you have the chance, but not like all the people. With experience also. So I'll try it, sir. Okay, joined. She joined only core Python over, guys. Means 1 month core Python over. She got a call from one company. And she told everything. Actually, 15 years ago, BTech over. Worked as a lecturer. And then got married. The kids are there. Now I'm trying learning the Python only core over. What they said that, okay, no problem. My project, not Python project. See. We want people to work on the Angular.js, Node.js. Do you work there? He said that I don't know Angular Node.js. So will you give the training? Do you work? Yes. Give me a training. I work there. Then they said that okay, core Python over, right? We'll take interview on core Python only. If you say good answers, job is confirmed. Said okay. So she done the core Python very well. Job is got. That's all. As a fresher. Next day she called me. I got to wonder how it's possible. Right? So I feel everything is possible, guys. That's why I'm saying that luck is very, very important. That's why go for every interview. Tomorrow interview is there. Go and sit there. Nobody beat us. If you don't say answer, nobody will scold us. In IT field, they give respect more. Tomorrow interview is there. I don't know anything. I'm going there, sitting silently. What is your name? Sit silently. Where are you coming from? Sit silently. They ask you for questions. They say that no problem. Please practice very well. Come back interview. They give more respect. What we think, opposite we think. If you go to interview, if you don't say answers, they may laugh at me. They may scold me. They may threaten me like that. No. If you don't say answers, they respect it more. Because about life fact, right? They say that no problem, Narayana. So go and practice very well. Come next time. That's why don't fear. Happy to go to interviews and try the luck factor, guys. Okay, all of you. Right. So any doubts now? No doubts, huh? Right. So fine, guys. We stop the class now and continue on Monday, same time, same classroom, same paper. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye. Yes. One question asked one person. Sir, do you have the lab facility? 1 second, guys. Mahesh, right? Do you have the lab facility, right? Actually, what happened, guys? Here, see, our class time is 4 to 6 to 7, that right? Before 6 o'clock, the room is free only. You can come and sit here and practice here. The only thing is here computers are not available. Okay, so bring the laptop and sit and practice. Suppose you don't have a laptop, friends are there. See, always group discussion gives more knowledge, not individual discussion. Right or wrong? So like that only, my morning batch is there 8 to 10. Of class over, around 10 people sit here. Out of 10, 3 having laptop. They were not there, sitting around and practicing. That's all. Okay, right. Right. For online, how to interact in the class. Yes, Devendra, right? Devendra, for online, how to interact in the class, right? Yes, after class over, I'll talk to everybody. Devendra, after class over, I'll talk to everybody, either online or offline. Well, class is going on. I keep on teach the class. Once class is over, I talk to everybody. Okay. Any WhatsApp group is there for Python batch? Yes, we'll create the Python WhatsApp group. Okay. We said that Srikanth, right? Actually, what do I do for every batch, guys? I maintain the WhatsApp group. WhatsApp means not normal group. Broadcast group is there. You know, the WhatsApp broadcast group is there. 2 types of groups in the WhatsApp. Normal group, WhatsApp broadcast group. What is the difference? In normal group, all can see all other numbers. In the broadcast group, nobody see other numbers. That is safer. Why? Because, so I'll tell you an example, guys. Before lockdown, I don't know about the broadcast. Okay, I know WhatsApp groups only. So some boys take the girls' numbers, calling messaging. So every day what happens, the calls keep on calling me, sir, this number getting calls, sir. What can I do? I have the my work. Every day, girls call me, says that, sir, this number, please give warning, sir. And there are small kids to give warning. They also like me only. If I give warning, they will beat me. Right? So I got irritation, guys. You don't believe we have the 75 WhatsApp groups are there. Only WhatsApp groups, not broadcaster. So then the lockdown time, one person given the suggestion. Sir, don't give the WhatsApp. One group, same thing happened. I'm giving the warning in the classroom, online class. Don't like that. Then what the student said that go for broadcast. I asked them how to create a broadcast. That is very safe, guys. Right? So yes, we'll create the group, right? And in the group, all will be added. Okay. Why the group means to share any document, to share any link. Suppose tomorrow software link is there. Software link. I share the software link in the group, so it goes to all the people. Okay, all of you. Yes. So about installation, we'll discuss very clearly. Dilip, this is all offline students only. Dilip, okay. About installation, I give the clear steps. Okay. So in the next class, this is introduction first of all about the Python introduction. Today our introduction over. So next class, first class Monday. So Python history, I give the notes, introduction, advantages, features, then installation. When these things over, we start the which one concepts of Python, like what is keyword. We go from very basic onwards, guys, not from high level onwards. Some people are there, they don't know even what is variable also. Sometimes possible, right? Because of different backgrounds that are coming here. That's why we start from very basic onwards. What is keyword? What is variable? What is the comment? How to write the codes? We use everything. Okay. That we start once that installation over, right? Yes. So any queries, guys, in online? Any queries are there? Yeah, today class video, all of you online people, just WhatsApp me one message, guys. This is our all of you. This is our WhatsApp number. Just WhatsApp me Python at 6 p.m. I shared the link video, right? What happened here? All of you guys, okay? On this number, WhatsApp me this one. I'll share the today video. If you want video, guys, you can WhatsApp me. I'll share the video. This class today class video. Not required because all offline class listen, right? So not required. If you want, just WhatsApp me, no issues. Okay, right. So yes, about the fee, guys, right? About the fee, all of you observe here. About the fee, right? See, in other institutes, guys, only core advance, how much fee? Only core advance, 4,000, 5,000, 7,000, 8,000, 10,000 in Hyderabad. In Bangalore, minimum 10, 10, 15, 20, 25 is possible. Okay, but in our institute, combined all also, actually we planned 5,000 guys. But what happens here, because of this the closeness, they come, sir, I give 4,000 only, sir. Right? I give 3,000, sir, right? So what is happening? Some are paying 5,000, some are paying 4,000, some are 3,000, right? It's not a good thing. Today, fine. But tomorrow, when you become very close friends, she said that I paid 3,000 only. You say 5,000. Then you think that are taking the money more from some people less money. You think like that, right? That's why equal for all people, 3,000 rupees only. Okay. Only 3,000 rupees for all people, guys. For both online, offline, complete Python full stack, how much? 3,000 only. 10K in the Vizag. Yes. Okay. Right. So fine, guys, right? So we'll stop it now and continue on Monday, same time, same person. All of you. Right. Thank you, guys. Okay. Bye. Take the content, sir. Take the content.